Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN D2 Bravo Titanium, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see My Day page. Now tap on More, scroll down and tap on Garmin devices. Here you should see the Bravo Titanium watch on the list. Tap on it, then tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, and then tap on Remove Device and tap on Remove. Now tap on OK, close if you see this pop-up, and then close the app. Now we can go to settings and open the Bluetooth settings. So let's go to settings and connected devices or Bluetooth settings, and here you probably will see the Bravo Titanium on the list of previously connected devices. Tap on the settings icon, tap on forget, and tap on forget device to remove it. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.